Well, hello there. My name is Zachary Miller, and this is Zachary. So today, folks, we'll be making Chef Mock's signature red wine ribeye with Alfredo, shells, and cheddar. I've already prepared the red wine for the red wine sauce for our meal today. Even in the smell, you can perceive the lush velvety texture and very fine tannin of this lovely wine. Let's start the flame. So, for our seasoning, we're going to use a all-natural cracked black pepper blend and our Istanbul spice blend. So just like any other meat, you're going to get a nice healthy sprinkling of the pepper. This also has sea salt in it. And all over those. Very nice, very nice. And we're gonna get a very, very nice coating of this Istanbul spice blend. This stuff is very, very good. If you like Mediterranean, this is it. But make sure you use a very, very nice layer on there. And once you've gotten your coating of whatever your preferred seasoning is, you're gonna really rub it in there. Make sure it really sticks there in the meat. It's gonna make a very nice flavor. Now it doesn't necessarily have to be what I've used. You can do whatever your preferred blend is. All right. And then you do the same thing to the other side. Get the cracked black pepper and the salt on there. And you can get another layer of this Istanbul seasoning. I like to use a lot, it's very good. Rub it in again. And you don't want any of this to go to waste. So what I usually like to do is the seasoning that's fallen onto my cutting board or whatever it is I'm using, just kind of rub the sides of the meat into there. Get all of it up. Don't want to waste any of it. You want to really make sure that you get the seasoning in there because you want to preserve the flavors for when you're cooking. You really, really want to get the meat in there. Like you really want to get the meat. in there. Alright, once you've got your glaze, you want to set your preferred burner at the high heat, and you want to prep your pan. Now it's very important that you set your burner at high heat, because you want to get a good sear on these steaks. That is one of the most important things to making a very good steak. Alright, so once you've done that, you're going to take your glaze, and you're going to pour it in there. Get it in the pan. There we go. And now, we place our steaks. Now you want to set the steak in there, and you're going to place it away from you. That's nice. Alright, once you've got a good sear on one side, you want to flip it over. Get that sear on the other side. Look at that. A nice crispy outside. Nice brown, golden brown. Alright. And you don't want to forget, you should sear the sides of the steak itself. It's on there for a few seconds. You can check. Not quite yet. A little bit longer. Alright, now we're ready to sear the sides. Very nice. Sear the next side. Sear this side. And then sear the last bit. Very good. Now you want to turn it down. Because you don't want to burn the steak. Now you need to cook it to whatever your preference is. Medium rare, medium well, whatever it is. Cook it to that. Let's try this steak. Typically I like to go for a medium rare on my steak, but went for a medium well this time. Let's see how it is. It's a pretty good steak. Now that we're done with the meal, let us feast.